With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, so we are given with the question which says in a hall a person receives direct sound wave from source 120 meter away. He also receives waves from the same source which reach him after being reflected from 25-meter high ceiling at a point halfway between them. So the two waves interfere constructively for wavelengths. So we need to find the series of wavelength so that the two waves interfere constructively. Alright, so one wave is directly coming to the observer and another is reflecting from halfway point between them. So the situation as per the question refers to this, as we can see it over here. There's a 25 centimeter 25 meter high ceiling is there, and from there one sound wave is reflected and one sound wave is reaching directly to the observer, which is 120 meter away. All right, so this is the scenario given. We have to find the interference of the two wave constructively. So for that we need to first calculate the path difference. So for here we will try to first calculate the path difference between the two sound waves. So we can write path difference, that is delta. One sound wave is traveling a path ABC and one is reaching directly to C. So we can write path difference as AB plus BC. This is the one path minus of AC. Alright, so from here we have to first calculate the value of AB and BC. So from we can write from triangle, right angle triangle, AB, and let's suppose this point is M. So from ABM, the value of AB can be directly written as 25 square, that is 625, or let's write it as 25 square only, plus of 60 square, and that gives us the value as 65 meter. So the value of AB we have calculated as 65 meter. Similarly, BC will also be 65 meter. So now we can calculate the value of path difference. Therefore we can say, therefore path difference will be AB plus BC, that is it will become 130 minus of AC is given to be as 120. Alright, so path difference comes out to be 10 meter. So between the two waves the path difference is of 10 meter. So for them to interfere constructively, we know the condition. For constructive interference, path difference should be integral multiple of lambda. Therefore we can say 10 should be integral multiple of lambda. Therefore when we substitute when n equals to 1, lambda value comes out to be 10. When n equals to 2, lambda value comes out to be 5. And when n equals to 3, lambda value comes out to be 3.33, and so on. Alright, so the range we are getting is 10, 5, 3.33, and so on. So this matches with the option B. So I hope you have understood the concept well, and thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.